What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, LowkeyLegend, man. How y'all doing today, man? Back with a brand new episode, Texas Chainsaw Massacre game, dude. This shit is a little addicting, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you guys right now, dude. This shit is got a grasp on me, dude. Playing as Leland. Let's go ahead and pop out of here. See what this game's got to offer for us today, man. Brand new day. Let's get the fuck out of here, yeah? Let's wake Grandpa up. Wake up, Grandpa. Alright. Man, fuck this dude. I'm a little confident in the early rounds for sure. Definitely willing to go on a chase early. But I also like to be the first one out of here, guys. So let's get the fuck.
Please lead somewhere good.
Let's get the move on here. We got a door right here. All we need is a toolbox. I do not see one. We got the fuse box room right here, so hop through this way.
Maybe through here.
There should be one right here. Yeah, cool. Alright.
What do we have here?
I don't know. Let's not make some noise right now. I guess we could hold off a little bit. Kind of go smooth with it. I don't like this dude because he's very not good with stealth. But I can like fight some motherfuckers too if need be. So
How do people like this happen?
Alright.
good to note. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Again, this guy's not good at stealth, so it's gonna take us a sec to unlock this shit. Alright, we gone. Let's make a move. Not just yet. Just want to pop that door open because I know we're gonna need another lockpick. The way we're moving. So let's go grab another one real quick.
It's me, Jules.
Debating on just powering through it. I say we do it, but like this shit is so time consuming when you're a big motherfucker like this guy, even. Like you're gonna need some sort of, you know. I think we're gonna upgrade one of our characters as soon as we get a level up.
Something
I
useful.
want to upgrade him at level 10 because then I think we can. We definitely buff one of our guys out. I don't know if it's gonna be Leland. I think we're gonna max out Sonny as a character because I do enjoy his ability. You can see anybody from anywhere. That's like the best one out there. But let's get the fuck out of here. We got a fuse right here, yeah. But I do not know where that goes to. So we're gonna continue on our move. Yeah, we'll lock
Gotta
pick.
stay focused.
Just can't make any
Gotta
noise.
get
And we
out
got
of
a
here.
toolbox right there as well, which is good to note. We are heading in this direction. You know what, guys? We should be out.
He was the best there ever was.
Looks like Grandpa is in this building. Definitely a nice move there. Unlatch this. They're weird as hell for latching that. I'm gonna latch it though. Make sure they don't. Oh, I can't latch it. You latch it from the other side. Very interesting. Let's get the fuck out of here though. We might need to go back for that other pick. Let's see. We are close, guys. I think we've even been in here for 5 minutes and we're already at the fucking exit. more pick. So I'm gonna head back. Oh my god, this girl might have one.
Connie, over here.
I'm gonna turn it off. I think she's got one. Oh my god, they're all out here. No way. I'm dead, guys. It's over.
This blade, that's good.
Move.
Help your claws.
Shake it off. Come on.
That's it. I couldn't. There's nothing I could have did, guys. It was over. They came 3 deep at the back. There was nothing.
Time to slaughter this one.
Wonder what happened to that other girl. I think she's probably in the weeds. Oh, did they get her? These guys are almost out right here. Oh, they got out, dude. That's crazy. This girl was with me, and we got fucked. I think these other 2 guys are gonna get out though. Yep, this is it. That thing didn't even have a chainsaw started. It's crazy.
That thing. Was
Oh
that a
yeah.
person?
Oh man. And they both got out, I'm assuming. That's it for this girl.
Something for this wound. It's getting worse.
Yep, they both got out from that other exit. And then me and this girl got absolutely destroyed by this guy. Unfortunate. They just absolutely rushed us, and there's no way for this girl to do anything either. No stamina, she's done. Unless she jumps in the well right there. But she's gonna die if she does. Oh, I don't even think she knows she can jump in that well. Oh, passed out. Incapacitated. Damn it. That was a coin flip. That game was a coin flip.
Now,
God damn.
let's see who scurried off.
Unfortunate, but that's all I got for you guys on this one, man. Texas Chainsaw Massacre episode 9 of the series. If you guys enjoyed, smash a thumbs up. It's been your boy, the LowkeyLegend. Y'all have a great rest of your day, night, evening. Y'all stay safe, stay savage, stay low-key. It's been your boy. I'll see y'all very shortly for a brand new one. I'm out of here, guys.